Hey sneaker fan, welcome back to HighFoot review. Today we are unboxing and review the Air Jordan 4 Frozen Moment. Stay with us, we will check out all the detail of the sneaker. And this video is sponsored by ckshoes.org, a great website for high quality replica sneaker. They offer Nike, Air Jordan, Balenciaga, Gucci, and many more. Plus, use my discount code ckshoes.org, get 15% off on your purchase, and join their Discord server so you can see a lot of the count. This website link in my description box and Discord server in my channel bio. Go and check it out. Let's start unboxing with some great music.